Wow, it feels like it's been ages since I last created a video. Hi, welcome back to Inspire DIY. My name is Max, and today I'm going to be sharing you my new virtual tour of the new place that I just moved in. So it's just been over a week, and I basically did all the unpacking, and I also have a lot of wholesale deliveries, so I finished doing that just yesterday and then packed it and shipped everything. And I also have been dealing with this really annoying my former landlord with that's a whole nother story to that, but it's still ongoing. But anyways, I don't want to bore you with that, so I'm gonna start showing you my room. So let's go over to my office first, where I'm gonna be spending basically most of my time. I'm gonna be shooting a lot of YouTube videos in here, as well as doing my work for the Amazon FBA. So you can see here, it's a little bit dark because this place is not too bright, but anyways, I installed the LED lights as well as this Himalayan salt table lamp, which looks very cool. So I'm going to be shooting in here. And this is my new computer setup, as well as in the back, all the products that I have. I had a lot more when I was packing earlier, and I still do. I purchased some more, so I'm going to be working on that as well. And moving on, let's go to the living room, where Cookie is at. So this was the living room that we saw earlier. I'm gonna put the area rug down. That's gonna look really nice. Say hi to Cookie. Cookie! Say hi. No, never mind. I guess that's his way of saying hi. Now, so it's a bathroom. This is actually a 2-bedroom basement suite, which is significantly larger than my last place, which is really nice. So this is the bathroom. The tub is very nice as well. And it's a lot more accommodating than the last place, because I'm doing a lot of business in here as well. So let's fast forward to the kitchen. So here is the kitchen. I just got this dining table. My mom purchased it for me, so thank you, Mom. And I'm gonna be doing the installation to swap this this table out, and I'm gonna go buy another dining chair once I save up some money, because it costs a lot to move here too. And yeah, this is where I'm also gonna be shooting some cooking shows. As I previously mentioned, that because I switched to a new diet with a lot of food item elimination, so I'm gonna have to work around a couple of things in my cooking and share you guys different recipes. And over here is my bedroom. It's probably gonna be super grainy in here because I'm shooting at 3200 ISO. But yeah, I installed this light yesterday, so it looks really cool. It's gonna be fading out and you can play with different patterns. So I thought that looks pretty relaxing, romantic-ish. And the last room in this place is the storage room, which I'm actually going to turn this entire room into my hydroponic setup. So you probably see in my last place of all these shelving, I took all the plants out. I just need to figure out a couple of things before getting to this project. But yeah, so I'm going to, once the weather gets better, I'm going to do a lot more woodwork as well as the hydroponic project that I wanted to do, and hopefully post a lot more videos and in the coming futures. Thanks very much for watching.